Hi everyone, this is Heather Lockton from the Flourish.Academy. This is episode 412. So the question today is, what if you deliver high resolution files to your client and they put some type of filter on those images or they edit them and then they post them? How do you feel about that when it happens? And if it hasn't happened, it's going to. So the first thing you can do is make sure that somewhere in your contract you have that, their acceptance of these files, they're not allowed to edit them in any way, blah, blah, blah. You can put that in your contract for sure. I think you should absolutely do that. I have spent other time on other videos talking about my contract verbiage, so you can go back and listen for that, but they're still gonna do it. And when it happens, the question is, what should you do? So people will ask me, Heather, what should I do? This client put this awful Instagram filter all over my photos and posted them and gave me credit. Now my name's associated with it, and and they feel all of this angst and they're not sure what to do or what the best approach is, to which I respond, Frankie, say, relax, relax. It is okay. Is it ideal that your client put a filter on your images or cropped it differently? No, of course not. But let me ask you something. What is your desired outcome? What do you hope to achieve by saying something to your client? Making them feel bad? Having them take down your photos? I mean, really, you have to ask yourself, what's at stake here and what's the real problem? Oh, I know the problem. It's your pride and your ego. You don't want somebody messing with your photos. Listen, neither do I. I edit my photos a specific way because that's what I like to deliver to my clients. But when and if they put some kind of crazy filter on their images, I have no control over that. So there's nothing I can do. Therefore, I'm not going to waste any amount of energy getting upset or posting on the interwebs asking everybody, oh, what should I do? They edited my photos. Should I tell them to take them down? Should I tell them they're in breach of the contract? Get a grip. No, there's nothing you can do. And so you just have to live with it and move on. It is really not that big of a deal. Collectively, as an industry, I think we all need to just lighten up. I understand that you want your photos to look a certain way and that it hurts you as an artist. I know we are very delicate, but it is not a big deal if somebody does that. I think what you're most concerned with is that somebody will see that image and think that that's your work or that was your edit. And so what if they do? I don't think it really matters. This is not a big deal. I'm sure this has happened to you. I know it's happened to me. Occasionally I've kind of rolled my eyes at it and then I got over myself and I moved on. I'll see you in the next video.